We're back in the kitchen with Vital nutritionist Pam Pillay, and we're bringing you kitchen cures. And this time, making one of my favorite recipes. I think one thing that really makes me feel like I can be a chef, because it's the easiest thing to make, very delicious, a stir fry. And then nobody can question me on my stir fry. But I want to see what kind of twist you're putting on it today, Pam.
We don't have too much of a twist in this, except my usual twist of bringing in the chili. So we've got some chili soy sauce and we've got some chili flakes we're going to add on later. I think the highlight of this dish is the fact that I'm trying to use a lean cut of meat. You know, we need to cut down on red meat consumption. Using a lean cut of meat is going to give you the taste that you always would love to have on your plate, but it would cut down greatly on the fat. I think in this dish you could choose any vegetable that you would like, but I chose broccoli this time because I just want to highlight the fact that it is a superfood and it is jam-packed with calcium, and we've got iron, we've got some vitamin A, we've got some vitamin C in it, and it's a brilliant veg, and I think we don't use it often enough. I think we must be adventurous and try it out.
Lovely stuff. Okay, so where do we start? This is very interesting to me to learn how to make a new kind of stir fry.
Okay, so we have to start with the marinade first. So we're going to marinate our beef. We're going to take some of the ingredients and put that into the beef, mix it well, and we're going to let it stand for at least 15 minutes before we actually start to fry our first stuff.
Marinate the beef in apple juice, cider vinegar, sugar, and garlic, as well as soy sauce. In the meantime, heat a little oil in a non-stick pan over a medium heat. Then remove the meat from the marinade.
I'm using peanut oil for two reasons. And one is it gives a nutty flavor to the dish, and the other reason is it has a very high heating point, so you can flash fry without danger of breaking down the oil.
Using 3 teaspoons of peanut oil, cook the meat in batches until browned. Once browned, remove the meat and set aside.
And I'm just going to clear the pan with a bit of water and add that lovely flavor that caramelizes the bottom of the pan into the marinade as well.
This technique is also called deglazing. Add the mixture into the leftover marinade. Then carefully add cornstarch as you whisk.
So now all of the liquid from the pan, along with the marinade, a little bit of salt just for flavoring, is going to form the sauce of our stir fry.
In the same pan, add the remaining peanut oil, then the broccoli, and fry on a high heat until it's bright and crisp. Add the sauce to the pan, then the meat, and give it a last good stir. Also season it to taste with pepper. The dish is best served hot. Find the instructions on Expresso's website.
There we go. And as we do this, if you'd like to make this recipe at home, this beautiful beef and broccoli stir fry, SMS the keyword VITAL to 33728 and we'll send you that recipe.
Here's a quick recap on how to make this tasty and nutritious dish. First, fry the marinated beef strips in peanut oil. When a beautiful golden brown, set aside. Then, mix the sauce ingredients together. Cook the broccoli over a high heat and stir in the sauce as well as the meat. Remember to season it with salt and pepper and chili flakes to suit your family's taste. Also, SMS VITAL to 33728 for the recipe.
Tender, chewy, juicy. Wow. Now this is what I'm talking about, huh? Kitchen cures, delicious and nutritious. So try it out at home.
Be whoever you need to be with Vital.